What's up, everybody? Um, I am back. I finally am done with. Oh god, 1 second. I gotta get my streams set up on my phone. I finally finished my exams and everything for school. What's up, Seb? Um, so I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna do some Advent of Code. I have not started even day one. So this will be fun. We'll see how it goes. Um, I just gotta get this stream open. I hate how it doesn't let me literally open my own stream on my phone. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing here? Come on. Alright, whatever. I'll just switch accounts. So stupid. Okay. Now I have that open. So yeah. Seb, I know you know this, but if anyone watches this VOD afterwards, a summary of the past couple streams, or I guess past couple months, not streams, is that I did get the Pinterest offer, so I will be a Pinterest intern on the platform InfraOrg, I think. They haven't really fully given me like a team match thing, but I'll be on Pinterest this summer, so very excited for that. But I had another internship last quarter and full classes, so I was just riddled with fucking. I was not riddled with time commitments. So yeah, it'll be a little bit more chill now. I'm hoping to stream more, but obviously we'll see. I'm kind of just taking things as it goes. I don't have like an exact project I'm working on right now. I've kind of just been a degenerate the past couple days. Just trying to chill. So we'll see. Very nice to see you. You got 2K subs since I caught your last series. You still get the job? I did get a job, yeah. Got a job for this summer. Now I just gotta lock in for get the return offer. Okay. So, also sorry if you can hear my family in the background. I'm using my MacBook mic. Also, we're gonna do Advent of Code in Go. I was thinking about doing like a wheel spin for like which language to use, but I think I'm gonna be using Go this summer, so I should probably relearn it. It's been like a while since I've used it. Okay, anyways. Blah 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 blah. Okay. You arrive at the secret entrance to the North Pole base, ready to start decorating. Unfortunately, the password seems to have been changed, so you can't get in. A document taped to the wall helpfully explains this. Due to the new security protocols, the password is locked in the safe below. Please see the attached document for the new combination. The safe has a drill, a dial with only an arrow on it. Around the dial are the numbers 0 through 99 in order. As you turn the dial, it makes small click noises. Also, I just realized I'm not. I don't know if the music's too loud or not. Okay. As you turn the dial, it makes a small click noise as it reaches each number. The attached document contains a sequence of rotations, one per line, which tells you how to open the safe. A rotation starts with an L or an R, which indicates which direction. I think lower it. How's that? Perfect. Cool. Okay. Where was I? So it's just left or right rotations, and then if the dial were pointing, because we get one, because the dial is a circle, turning to the left from 0, one click makes it at 99. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's just like a modulo type wrap. Similarly, turning the dial right from 99, one click makes it point to 0. Okay, sure. So if the dial were pointing at 5, a rotation of L10 would be 95. After that, a rotation of 5 would point to 0. Okay. Dial starts by pointing at 50. Gotcha. You could follow the instructions, so your recent required official North Pole secret identity tell you the safe is actually a decoy. The actual password is the number of times the dial is left pointing at 0. Okay, so let's just count zeros. With probably some annoying edge cases that I'm not thinking of. Okay. Check puzzle input. How can I download this as a file? I guess I can just copy it. I will say I don't fully remember how to read a text file in Go. Read file. Gotcha. Or I do remember I used to star a guy. He probably has some util I could use. Yeah, I could probably take this. Or I could just take the folder. It's actually cool that he built up all this. Forgot about this guy. Pretty cool guy, pretty cool guy. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Let me just copy this. And then how do you use this again? Like if we were to go here, say day 1. Oh, that's very gross actually. Can I not just? This might be dumb. But okay, so this is gonna be package main. Like, can I not import like? Huh. I thought I could like import package from other Go. Sorry, I know this is like very trivial stuff, but I remember Go is like weird in this way. I should really actually just learn this. Okay, so create a new directory for your project. Okay, so I already have that. Initialize a Go module within it. Structure your directories. See, but why do you need this module path? It doesn't make too much sense to me. This seems like so much work. Whatever. Okay, so I need to init example.com. So that's why he has... Or maybe that's just what he called it. So it's not even actually like a GitHub URL, it's just like... So I'm imagining this is just not a thing. Yeah. Which makes sense. So that's not a thing. So he literally just did like go mod init, github.com. Okay. So I'll need to, do I cd into the, so you make the package afterwards. Fuck me, bro. I like Python so much better. This is so much bullshit. But I also don't know why I'm complaining and like not doing it. I just don't fully understand it. So I'd do something like go mod init. I guess I already did something like this. Interesting. But when he did this, he did like utils, math utils, utils, slice utils. So I'm imagining those are also packages in the utils folder. They are. But how do you import something like files? Like say you want, or does that only have a test? I just made a parse thing. Okay, so I just had a utils thing. Interesting, okay. And then utils.loadstring. Okay, okay. Kind of making sense to me, vaguely. Because his would be like go mod init utils. I think. Maybe? Like if I did, okay, so I have this as a package. Can I now do something like in day one? Can I import GitHub? Not import. Sorry, look, this is stupid. I can't even do the problem yet. But he doesn't have... Should just be chatting with Gemini, can't lie, or like ChatGPT or something. Have a I remember getting like really frustrated with this like a year ago. Okay, so that's what I should have done. That's what I changed it to, right? Yeah, I did. So I'll change that to like AOC 25. Okay. For a project, usually prefer a flat structure. So you can just say that now? Oh. Okay. I don't know why I didn't think I could do that. Anyways, I won't really need that, I don't think. I think what I need to do is like what he did. Where I'll load it as a string, but then I'll need to do like a parse string that takes in some input where he had like lines. I'm going so much based off of this guy, and I could have just built my own thing, but whatever, we're too deep in the waters here. But how did his things take in an array of string? Because load strings probably returns an array of strings. Okay. Yeah. So this will return we actually want this to return. It's almost fine to just be like this. This kind of just simply will take in some lines, and then we will return an int, just take in, return, should be solve. So we start our position at 50. Actually, don't import anything. So I don't remember in Go if you need an import. So we have some position, and then what are the cases? The cases are is that how you do it for each? Go. So you have to do that. I guess. Sure. Well, the end will have to be if position is equal to 0, then res plus equals 1, res equals 0, and then we'll return res. Okay. So what are our conditions here? forget how you slice in strings. String slice. Can you just index into them, right? Bro, this is frying me. I'm just gonna assume that I can do something like this, where it's like if line. I think I might be able to do that. It's been so long since I've did this. Or there's a string compare, right? I feel like there exists that. Strings. Is it string conv? Is that what I'm thinking of? Dude. Fair strings delay. God bless. Okay, so you can't just do that. I didn't need to do any of this. Okay. So if it's an L, then do I want to do this case by case? I kind of don't want to. Maybe I like check this comparison. I mean, actually, it's fine. Position. Well, no, if we're going left or minus equal, we need a HY, I think. Can I do that? Yeah, I thought I could. Dude, each line is just like guaranteed to have this. Why is it, was it frying me like this? Oh, God. Oh, is this because it can fail? Okay. What do you mean? Why can I not compare this? This would be so easy in Python. Varchar in string. Go down. Ah, yes, 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 yes. How could I forget? Okay. Position minus equals val. Wow, we did so much. So little in so much time. This can just actually be else. do you mean expected statement? Huh? Your audio is low. Like my mic volume? Or the music? I also truly don't understand this. Does it should be in line? It has to be in line. It's my own volume? Okay, sounds good. I'll also just take this up here. I don't like these. I don't remember when I added these like column things, but it's really gross and I don't like it. Okay, so what are the cases we have to solve? It's just like if we're negative, so say we're like -5, position is 100 minus val. If greater than 100, then what? Like if we're at 95 and we rotate 6, is that 1? So I think it's just val minus 100. Yeah, I think so. So if position is less than 0, position if position greater than equal to 100, position equals position minus 100. Sure. Let's just try it. I don't really know a better way of doing it. Import utils. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we have this. And then what? How do we do tests in this again? I don't even really want to test it. I just want to run it. I actually don't care about you right now. Okay, so print. Actually, I should just do solution equals solve part A. Can you do this outside of a main function? Or do I have to do func main? I like forget. This is like such a basic thing to forget. Java internals today, good work, man. So you do need to do main, yeah, okay. That's what I thought. So lines will equal utils dot load strings of input.txt. And then solution.print. Just do that. Alright, let's see if I can run this. Go run main.go. 519. Man. Okay, so what did I do wrong? Let's make a quick test file. And test. Okay. I should actually just keep the main over and then what did this guy use for testing? No testing. So we import testing. And then func test basic input. What is it? T testing T. Okay. So that's some basic lines. Sample lines. How do I do a multi-line string again? Can you give me a review about the code you're doing? Yeah, I'm trying to do advent of code in Golang, or in Go. I don't know why I always call it Golang. But I haven't touched Go in a while, so I kind of forget like a ton of stuff. No lie. So that's why a lot of this is scuffed. Just because I'm getting back in the feel of it, things. Years of experience? I have never gone full time. I'm still a student. So, but I've had 2 internships. 1 internship, really. Expected declaration. Why can't I do this? How did he do it? Oh, okay. Hope your effort pays off. Thanks, man. How old are you? I am 21. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, this YouTube channel's already really paid off in terms of like holding myself accountable because we could use a macro here actually. QA. We'll do that. Q. Then we'll do like how many? It's already paid off quite a bit because it just like kept me motivated for a while, to be honest. Used to, there we go. Kept me going for a while, like productive. This quarter I was just really busy, which is why I didn't stream much. But hey, we got an internship now, so can't complain. Okay, so package day 1. Cool way to keep track of progress? No, for sure. Like I've looked back at the first day that I ever streamed multiple times, which is it's really funny to look back on. To be honest, it's like even for myself to go back to. So I don't really understand how this packaging works. But yeah, I mean, another one of my friends started streaming, and he's been more consistent than me this year, like significantly more. But he's saying the same thing of like it's interesting to go back and be like, oh, like I mean, it was almost a year and a half ago now that I started. Or no, it'd be a year ago that I started. Because I started last winter break. That's crazy, it's only been a year. Holy shit. But even still, it's like funny to look back on. I also don't understand this packaging. Like, why is this? Oh, okay, never mind, it's fine with me. Okay, so can I just do solve put A? I can. Oh. Okay, let's do utils. Or I don't need utils. Never mind. IKID. Let's just do example A. And then assign that to something like solution. So can I just do go test? Solution is 3, and the solution is 3. Not fine. I just realized I shouldn't have printed. I should have like actually used the test. Where's it should be a cert equal. Cert equal. Is that better? So what is it yelling at me about? Oh, it's because I don't have that in my Go mod? How do I get that? I kind of forget. Is it like go add or go get? Maybe go get? I feel like it's go get. Go get. Yeah, it is. What's up, John? How you doing, man? So I don't really understand what this is wrong. Parallelism video is nice as fuck. I should probably unprivate that. But I got self-conscious because the first thing was like, this dude talked for 7 minutes about Go routines and then 3 minutes about like a basic adder, and it's like, yeah, I just don't have that much hardware knowledge. Okay. We need to debug this. But I need to respond to somebody first. Give me 1 second. It's good you learned that shit about Go. Dude, Go parallelism is cool. Shit, like, I really enjoy Go. I, like, want to use it more. Okay, I like, don't fully understand why this is wrong. I can't lie. Like, we start at 50. If it's left... yeah. Well, I focus more on channels. Texas I kind of already covered. Or, like, I didn't really have to relearn because... I learned that in my OS class. I don't know if I understand why this is wrong. My thing is too low. But if it's... But like, I feel like I just disagree. Because we start at 50. If it's a left, we subtract the value. If it's greater, we add it. Yeah, maybe I'm missing something. I thought it's like the number of times that it points at 0 directly. Oh, maybe is it like, package command line arguments is not a main package. Oh, god damn it. How do I run this? It's literally just easier if I fucking do this. Node.js just blocking. Dude, Node.js has so much. The more I learn, the more I realize that Node.js just has too much shit to deal with, and that's why it's bad for everyone. Like, how do I... Can I do, like, go run day one? No. How the fuck do I run this? I know I can run this somehow. Should also really make sure that the test still passes. Fails. That's bad. I don't fully understand what's wrong with this. I can't lie. What am I not understanding here? Dude, I did see the React 2 shell. That shit was crazy. Dude, yeah, here's full remote code execution. Oh yeah, it's with everybody. What? Hilarious, to be honest, dude, it is fucking funny. I thought it was quite funny. I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue how this is lower. Like, I might be a chud. Do you see something I'm not seeing? Because, like, if we're a negative position, that means we've gone too far left. our position effort ends up being 0, then we plus equal 1. Like, I don't understand this. Gotta get back to work. Alright, see you, John. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. Oh, it's definitely this, though. I'm gonna do like position mod 100. Was it not used? Okay, it's up here. Let's try that. Okay. It was modulo. See if we can do part 2. Okay. You're sure that's the right answer, but the door won't open. You knock, but nobody answers. You build a snowman while you think. As you're rolling snowballs for your snowman, you find another security document that must have fallen into the snow. For the newer security protocols, please password method. This big thing you can remember from your training seminar. The method X value means you're actually supposed to count the number of times any click causes the dial to point at 0, regardless of whether it happens during a rotation or at the end of one, following the same rotations as above. The dial points at 0 a few extra times. Okay. That was rotated left by 68 to 0.82. Can you do more than once? Okay, yeah, you can. Okay, sure. So probably a lot of this is going to be the same. So I wonder how much of this we can probably just make a new function. Func. How better. That takes in a line, a string, a cur value, which is an int, and returns an int, and then we just do kind of just this. Put that into one thing. Return curve val u minus val. Curve value. I can really just do let me make sure this didn't break anything. Present function body. No. No. Okay, still pass. Okay. So we can honestly yoink a lot of this. The only difference will be now we can just, so to count the number of times that it goes over that, maybe we just do it like without the mods, like get a different. Like if we plus equal and say we're at like position 500. Like we kind of just do this divided like into division divided by 10. I know we'd have to round up. Would the ceiling work here? Like if our value, yeah, I think it would. So if position is greater than 100 or less than ceiling of position. What's happening here? do I need to round here? Sorry, I'm sitting on my bed because I'm home and I don't have my desk set up. Because I'm just trying to think, like, if you do 550, that's 5 rotations. But say your new thing is like 100 is actually just like 1. But we don't want to double count that because 100 needs to be greater than it. But I think it's actually just floor division, so I think this is fine. So we want absolute value of position divided by 100. And it cast this to int or something. Why does this need to be a float 64? Are you kidding me? Oh my god, okay. So this is the same. Yeah, okay. Actuals 4. Okay, but why? So it starts pointing at 0. I mean, it starts pointing at 58. If that's rotated left by 68. Oh, because I think my if condition is just wrong. Or just less than 0. No? Let's see if it's that. Too low. Which makes sense because this is very janky. So dials rotated left 30.52. 48, so it's exactly 100, which is 0. So then we'd add 1. Would we double count there? We would double count. Don't know. I think this is just wrong. It's like what I'm getting at here. So if our change is greater than 0, that means we're going to the right. So if we're going to the right, then if our position our new position will be else. I think our wrapping can just be Was it 6? First one still passes. Bro, frying me. Isn't this what I had before? This is what I had before, bro. I wonder if I change this to here. Part A fails. No. So when is it printing? I guess I should do that. I know I can, I think I can do this. I think. I have to test specific package. Add some backslashes. So I also forgot to add. Let's just make this val. So this is just wrong, because the first thing should give us a 1. Because our position does go to 82, but it does rotate, so our val is wrong. Because that's just 0 minus 0. Like our position, but our position should be -1. Like, I think that's definitely it. Because right now I'm having, like, my position is -18, divided by 100 is -0.18, but that should go to negative point. That should go to -1. What would this be? Negative. Fuck, I'm gonna fuck this math up, bro. So fast still 0. I don't understand this. I might be a dumbass, bro. Oh my god, sometimes this fucking language, dude. And now I need to cast this to an int. I'm joking. Get rebase abort? Huh? Now I have 9. Oh my god, I should just throw in the fucking towel. Why is this wrapping so annoying? So I should double check this actually. Do I see the output? Oh, yeah, it is 0. Okay, I don't want it to be 0. Check this. Okay, so that's like right. So why is this fucking up still? What's up, guys? What are you coding? I'm doing Advent of Code 81, Part B. And I'm kind of stupid. It's like not making sense to me. Or at least my solution isn't making sense to me. But alas, here we are. It's crazy that people can do this in like fucking... I need to lock in. Like, why does this... So, okay. We know our position is -18. Sorry, I'm gotta respond with my friend. Not my girlfriend, what am I saying? Let's just...
The door's closed.
Let's just restart. Let's just restart. Change scope 0. what's our distance to our 0? Our distance to our 0 is 100 minus our position, not 100. And if our distance to 0 is 0, that equals 0. Wait, no, 100. Yeah, okay. And if for change greater to our distance to 0, then our res plus equal 1 plus our change minus our distance to 0. I think. So if it's less than 0, so we're going to the left. And our distance to 0 is actually just going to be our position. We can copy this. If the rate of change is greater than our distance to 0, let me do the similar thing where we do this. Our position is just going to be our position plus our change. I'm gonna lose my mind. Bro. Still getting 5. Still getting 5. Actually, it's just... Okay. Please. Oh, thank God. All right. That was much harder than I wanted it to be. But whatever. Got there in the end. I hate math. All right. I'm gonna call it here. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow for more. But yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.